And the race is on. Jumping Jonah from the outside. Magnificent in the middle. Alongside is Grand Excess. Running in fourth is Climate Change. Bondi Babe is on the outside. And Baby Jade is running at the tail of the field. Magnificence by 3/4 of a length. Jumping Jonah down on the inside. Grand Excess on the outside. Climate Change is racing forward by some 2 lengths. Another 2 lengths. Corner back in fifth is Bondi Babe. And Baby Jade still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600. Grand Excess by a nose. By Darrell is Magnificence. Grand Excess from the outside. Magnificent. Climate Change now running in third. Jumping Jonah. Bondi Babe sneaking by Darrell and Baby Jade as they race the last 450. Grand Excess, Magnificence once again by Darrell. Climate Change and making ground down on the inside is Bondi Babe and Jumping Jonah Baby Jade. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. 3 runners fighting now for the lead. Magnificence by Darrell and on the outside Climate Change, Grand Excess, and nearing the finish line, number 4, Magnificence. Close for second, Grand Excess, Climate Change. Number 1, Baby J, Jumping Jonah, and Bondi Babe comes last.